Elaichi Chai. Recipe: Green Cardamom Tea. Elaichi Chai, also known as Green Cardamom Tea, is a fragrant and soothing Indian tea recipe made with milk, black tea, and freshly crushed green cardamoms. This comforting drink is perfect for mornings, evenings, or whenever you crave a warm cup of spiced chai. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, 2 tea bags or 2 teaspoons loose tea powder, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, lightly crushed, 2 teaspoons sugar or to taste. Instructions: in a saucepan, pour the water and add the tea bags or tea powder. Bring it to a boil. Crush the green cardamoms slightly to release their flavor and add them to the boiling tea. Pour in the milk and let it come to a boil again. Add sugar and stir well. Lower the heat to medium-low and let the chai simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Whisk the chai gently while simmering. This enhances the flavor and makes it frothier. Strain into cups and serve hot. Serving suggestion: enjoy Elaichi Chai with biscuits, samosas, or any evening snack for the perfect tea time experience.